Weekly calls and webinars. You guys, this is part of the process that will get you the information that you need and the right mindset.
Yeah.
And there's different formats that this is offered, but I can tell you the years that we've been in this profession, we've definitely continued to do this on a weekly basis just to sharpen our skills, learn new skills, and keep our mind in the right spot.
And just know what's going on,
Yeah.
right, on a daily basis, because we constantly have new information coming and going. We have new studies that are coming in. We have new financials that are coming in. We have, mindset training that really builds that belief, and it's absolutely amazing. So every Monday at 11 o'clock Central, Carrie, Dickey, and Stu Brody, our leaders, right, of this company, the ones that we went and we reached out to them and said, teach us, and they said, do this. And so we said, okay, we will follow. And so they said, go to the Monday morning call every single week. So 11 o'clock Central every single Monday. This call's been going on since we first joined. It's teaching on different testimonials, different things that are happening at LifeVantage that week, business tips, books. I mean, there's so many different things. This is also a place where you can find out about people and where you can connect with other people that are really, really important to you. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. And so those are done, like I said, every Monday. Here's the deal. Every Monday they're done, you go and listen to it live. If you cannot listen to it live, I know many, many of you are working and you're busy and you've got things going on. Totally get it. If you can, schedule your lunch hour over this time. I promise you it will be worth it. I promise you. If you are unable at all to do it, make sure that you listen to the recording that day. Why? Because life gets busy, right? Things come up, another thing comes, and you will just forget about it. And I'm telling you, you are going to be bummed when you know of the things that you miss out on. This is what I did. Every single Monday, if I couldn't listen to it live, I listened to it before I went to bed. And that is still my practice today. So I cannot stress that enough. Every Thursday, we have live opportunity calls of the product, the business, and it's 30 minutes at 8:30 Central every single Thursday. Elite distributors will go over the products, they will go over the business. And what we did when we got started, we shared with people, we said, oh my gosh, you gotta watch this person's amazing. We'd edify the person, and then we would get them on the phone with a third-party person right after. We didn't know how to do meetings, you guys. We had no clue how to do anything, but that's what we did, and then used third-party afterwards, and it was super fun, because a lot of times we were in our pajamas getting ready for bed at night, so that's fun. But then Sunday, so 3 things you guys need to put in your calendar. Then Sundays, 8:30 Central, 30 minutes, easy peasy. 8:30 Central, we have blueprint training, how to do's, the invites to close, the database, resolving concerns, all these different things, and then product training, generally from a doctor, a medical professional, or anybody that's super, super smart on these unbelievable products. So again, if you can't listen to that live, make sure that you listen to it the next day. It usually comes out that next morning or so because it's late at night. So make sure that you listen to that recording, because again, you're building your belief, you're getting excited, you're thinking of more people. It's just, and you're building that excitement.
And part of this, you guys, is really getting in the routine of what to do.
Yeah.
And so just to recap, once a week, the Sunday night Zoom training, that's going to be the first 15 minutes on the basics of building the business.
Yep.
The second 15 minutes are usually a medical professional talking through the science or just specifics on one of the products.
Right.
On Monday, get your week started right with the Monday motivational call.
Yes.
About the business, the mindset, all of that. And then Thursday night, the opportunity call. And we used them for one of 2 things. First thing was for us to learn how to present the information.
Yeah, absolutely.
But second of all, just a set time every single week that we could drive new eyeballs and ears to listen to the amazing information that we didn't have to be the expert on.
Yes.
Getting them in front of somebody else. And the biggest tip I can have with all of this, once you have it in your calendar and you have the time set aside for it,
I know where you're going.
Set a reminder for yourself. Because I believe most people are like us, that you're busy, you're doing a million different things, and all of a sudden the time passed and you missed it.
Right.
And so if you can set some kind of alarm or a notice that pops up on your phone a half an hour before, an hour before, just to get yourself another reminder to be there, because this truly is information that you aren't going to want to miss.
I literally have it the day before. I have a reminder go out the day before so that it's in my head before I go to bed to the next day. And then I have it an hour before, and then like 10 minutes or 15 minutes before, always. And then at that 10-minute mark or so, I log in.
Yep.
It's important. I live on alarms. So get these in your calendar and set your alarms. You will be glad you did.